Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. My name is Marta and I am so happy to have you here. For today's video, I'm going to do a really quick eyebrow tutorial. I'm going to do these natural eyebrows using the new e.l.f. cosmetic, or I don't know if it's new to me, and ever since I bought it, I fell in love and I've been using it every day. It's the e.l.f. Cosmetics Ultra Precise Brow Pencil. I'm going to show you how I use this. So if you guys want to see how I create my natural eyebrows with a very inexpensive and great quality product, then just keep on watching. So this is what my natural eyebrows look like, and there are so many ways to do your eyebrows, and natural eyebrows is one way to do them, and I feel like that's the easiest way to do your eyebrows, especially if you're just starting to do your eyebrows. And I feel like a pencil is the best and easiest product to use. The one I got is in the shade Brunette, which is a brown shade, so it's not really going to match my eyebrows because the pencil or the shade of eyebrows you want to use is the same color as your eyebrow hairs. And as you can see, my eyebrows are really dark, but when I went to the store they didn't have a dark one. But e.l.f. Cosmetics does have a deep brown and a black pencil, but I'm just gonna show you anyway since I have been using this for like pretty much every day since I bought it. My eyebrows naturally just stay like this, but I like to first brush them up and to the side like this so they can be a bit fuller, a bit thicker, and this way it makes them look a bit more natural. So first I'm going to take the pencil, and with a very light hand, because it's pretty pigmented, so by just using a very light hand, I'm going to outline the bottom of my eyebrows, and I'm going to just follow the natural hairs. And you can see I started from the very beginning of my eyebrow, and then I didn't overline, I didn't make the tail longer yet. I just stopped right there where my natural eyebrows end. And then with an even lighter hand, I'm going to start filling them in, and I just literally go back and forth in small strokes, just pretty much drawing my eyebrow, but not that much. You don't want too much product if you want your eyebrows to look natural. Also, I make sure when I do that, I don't touch this part of my eyebrow, but I fill in everything else all the way to the tail of my brow. And also, you don't want to go too high, passing the natural eyebrows from the top. As you can see, if I brush them down, it doesn't have that much product right there. After I finish filling them in, I'm going to take the other side of the pencil, the little spoolie, and start brushing through my eyebrows to blend everything out. And again, I'm going to stay away from the beginning of my eyebrow. I'm not going to touch that yet. After I finish blending it out, sometimes it doesn't come out perfect or the way I want it. And you can see I blended it out too much right here, and that happens. That's okay because it's very easy to fix. So I'm just going to take the pencil and again just very lightly fill that in. And then if you need to, blend it out again, but very lightly. And then for this part right here, first I like to blend it out because you don't want the line to just show right there. So I just go up like this. If you want more product, then I like to go like this, very lightly, in small strokes going up, and then blend that out. You don't want to have a lot of product right here. You want this to look as natural as possible. That's why I try to stay away from that part. And then I like the tail of my eyebrow to look a bit sharp, a little bit more, like a little bit longer. If you want to extend your eyebrows, you can just follow the line from the bottom of your eyebrow and just very lightly just try to extend it. And then connect it on the top to try to make it look a bit sharp. I know that it looks like if I have a lot of product, but to me, natural eyebrows are like this. Like, this is how I love them, that you can still see your natural eyebrows, and I love keeping them up like this. That makes them look a lot more natural. And obviously, if you see this one over here, it does look like if I have a lot of product, but I don't. Since they're brushed up, they look thicker and obviously they look a bit darker. Well, that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, and I hope this video was helpful, especially if you're a beginner. Let me know in the comments below what you think of this brow tutorial. Let me know if you liked it. Also, leave any other video requests in the comments below, and if you are new, please subscribe to my channel. I do upload in English and in Spanish every week, so be a part of this little family. It will mean so much to me. I love you guys so much for all of your love and support, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.